Hey there, 7th graders. Welcome to your 7th grade art class. In our first activity, we're going to do a project that we call the T-shirt project, and this literally is all about you. Now, if you're working remotely, you're going to find this project in your portfolio with other materials. All portfolios have been put out front, and you guys have been notified, so you know to pick them up. So our first activity is literally a T-shirt, and you'll notice that it's been divided into different sections here. And in each of these sections, you are going to put something in there that you absolutely love. And I love a whole bunch of things, so I got to work on filling mine up. But I think the first thing that I might do in this little spot here, and you'll notice I'm using a pencil. You can always erase. Erasing is good. I'm going to draw a little bit darker than I might normally so that you can see it. But I really love sushi, so I think I'm going to make some sushi rolls in this picture right here. You can think of food and sports and all kinds of really yummy things that you like to do. So I might start with that right there, and I'm just going to erase any lines that I currently have there. Let's see, what else do I love to do? Well, I love to draw. So I think what I might do is add some big letters up here for draw. I might need to change, I think I'm going to have to, my spacing here so I can fit those letters in there, because otherwise it looks a little bit hard to read. But that's where the eraser comes in. And the best thing about making art is that you really don't make it wrong. You just create different iterations as you go. So I'd want to correct that. And other things I'd want to put in here are things that I really enjoy. I love cats. I love going to the beach. I love reading. So all of these spaces are for different things that you love, because this T-shirt is all about you. Okay? Once you've got everything drawn in here, then you're going to go in and use some markers to color it up. Do your very, very best work, and if you're working remotely, please take a picture of it and send it my way. Have a great day, folks.